Welcome to Venus Jewel and Fashion, a store that has a beautiful collection of bags. बैग्स में भी उनके पास वैरायटी ऑफ बैग्स है, ज्वेलरी में भी बहुत सारी वैरायटी ऑफ ज्वेलरी है ऑफ ब्यूटीफुल क्वालिटी एंड डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स एंड वैरायटी. दे ऑल्सो हैव ब्यूटीफुल ऑप्शंस ऑफ वेडिंग बैग्स जिसमें आपको बहुत अच्छा डिस्काउंट मिलने वाला है. एंड दे हैव दीज ब्यूटीफुल क्लचेस जिसमें भी बहुत सारी पैटर्न्स एंड वैरायटी ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है. दे ऑल्सो हैव दीज कैजुअल बैग्स ऑप्शंस, उसमें भी बहुत सारे कलर्स हैं. पोटली बैग्स, सम बैग्स फॉर फेस्टिविटीज, दे हैव एवरीथिंग इन दिस कैटेगरी. ज्वेलरी में भी उनके पास बहुत सुंदर सिल्वर 9 to 5 ज्वेलरी है. They also have gram gold jewelry, and with that they have bedding collection as well. To check out the collection, swipe left. In this section, we are going to cover beautiful bangles, kada options. Again, this is all gram gold. Look at that. Very pretty. Perfect for Diwali, weddings, gift exchange. If you want something delicate, they have that also. If you want something in heavy, they have all those options. If you want single stackable options, they have all those covered for you. Look at that. वेरी प्रिटी. पूरे बैंगल सेट के ऑप्शंस हैं. ऐसे कफ्स में अगर आपको चाहिए तो वो भी ऑप्शन है. यू नो यू वांट सेट पेयर ऑप्शन, दे हैव दैट हियर एज वेल. वेरी प्रिटी. दे हैव समथिंग फॉर मेन ऑल्सो. ये पूरे ब्यूटिफुल जड़ाऊ कुंदन स्टाइल में है. यू हैव समथिंग लाइक दिस. Look at that. Very pretty. Every design is unique. Beautiful. Look at that. In this section, we are covering beautiful bracelets options. So this again is all 9 to 5 silver with buyback policy. So as you can see, they are beautiful, dainty, delicate looking pieces that you can wear on your everyday routine wear as well. You can gift them. अगर आपको दिवाली में you can want to gift your family members, your brothers and sisters, siblings. These are perfect for that. उसके अलावा यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं. ब्यूटिफुल ऑप्शंस, वेरी प्रिटी, वेरी डेलिकेट. येट अगेन ऑल दिस इज 9 to 5. दैट्स अ मंगलसूत्र. Beautiful. Look at that. And they have a lot of variety. So you can, okay, 500 to 3000 में बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस आपको मिल जाएंगे यहाँ पे. मंगलसूत्र again. Look at that. Very pretty. So now we're checking these beautiful bags. આમાં પણ તમને કંઈકનું કંઈક ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ બધા જ બેગ્સમાં અવેલેબલ છે. If you want अलग अलग साइजेस, अलग अलग पैटर्न्सમાં, you are going to get so many options. Look at that. Something in browns. Everyday routine ma, office wear ma, if you want, then they have that also. They also have these beautiful cane bags ke I'm sure you've seen celebrities carrying these beautiful bags. No option here. As you can see, એમની પાસે work totes છે, laptop totes છે, બહુ જ બધા options છે. અહીંયા બી tablet bags બી છે એમની પાસે. Look at that. Something like this. એની સાથે તમને બંને slings મળી જશે. So this is very pretty, very beautiful. Thank you, ma'am. And they have this entire fancy bag નું આખું section કે જ્યાં you are going to find a lot of options. Look at that. So in this section we are covering all non 9 to 5 silver જે આપણું ઇન્ડિયન ટ્રેડિશનલ સિલ્વર છે. અને આ બધાના જે મેકિંગ છે એના પર above 100 grams you are going to get 1 rupee per gram ના मेकिंग चार्जेस. અને જો અંડર 100 grams હશે તો you can pay 5 rupees per gram and you can get these beautiful pieces. Look at that. Very pretty, very beautiful. And this is the Hathful that is very famous. You can wear them. Then this is Juda ma bhi એમની પાસે બહુ જ બધી options છે, different styles માં. These are all rings na options. These are all piles. Very pretty. Yes, sir. These are options which. Look at that. 10%. Okay. This is just 10% of their entire collection. They have a lot of collection. In this particular section, we are covering gram gold jewelry. This is all Mangal Sutra with earrings के options. अगर आपको पूरा कुछ, you want something very traditional style, then you can go for these. They also have men's wear यहाँ पे, along with these beautiful set options. Look at that, very pretty looking options. And then we also have some more options in gram gold jewelry यहाँ पे. Very pretty. Chains में चाहिए, मंगल सूत्र में चाहिए. We also have set options here that are very pretty, lightweight, पूरे. Look at that. Lovely. Very pretty. Some more options here as well. Look at. दिस इज़ ऑल वेडिंग ज्वेलरी एंड इसमें भी आपको बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस मिल जाने वाले हैं. दिस इज़ ऑल येट अगेन ऑन ब्रास, सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इचिंग, एनी इरिटेशन ऑन द स्किन. दिस इज़ ब्यूटिफुल फॉर वेडिंग्स, फंक्शंस, फॉर ऑल द ब्राइड्स. Look at that. This is very lightweight, beautiful. Look at that. And there are so many options in them. Beautiful design patterns. अगर आपको heavy में चाहिए, light में चाहिए, you want something like this, पूरा choker style, something with these moti work detailing. अगर कुछ ऐसा choker neck style चाहिए, you want something like this with beautiful pieces. Lovely. And these are all
under 3,000.
Under 3,000. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Statement pieces. In this particular category, we are covering everyday routine wear, rings, pendant sets. So this is all 9 to 5 silver and it comes with buyback policy. So you don't have to worry at all. And JME quality AB is very beautiful. So all this starting from just 500 rupees goes up till 2500. You will find a lot of options here. And then any साथे they have earrings ना भी बहुत बड़ा options. So let me show you few. Look at that. If you want to go for heavy, then we have options like this as well. And then we have options in earrings, more earrings as well. Look at that. Okay, we have pendant sets here as well. Look at that. More pendant set के options हैं यहाँ पे. Something like this. If you want pearl base. So in this section આપણે જોવાના છીએ wedding collection ની bags. Yet again, these are beautiful bags કે તમે wedding માં carry કરી શકો. દિવાળીમાં બી તમે carry કરી શકો and at a very affordable price range. આ બધી જ bags પર flat 10% તો છે જ. Up to 50% ની બી offers છે. So as you can see, beautiful bags. Let me show you any અંદરનું જે આખું work છે. Look at that. It comes with a sling also. અને as you can see કે બહુ જ બધા collection છે એની પાસે. Something very pretty like this. પછી box bags માં બી જો તમને કંઈ જોઈએ તો they have options in these also. Something traditional જો જોઈએ તો એ બી option માં છે. They have these clutches also. That. In this particular section, we are covering beautiful kadas, necklaces and payal ke pure option. These are also 9 to 5 silver buyback. Starting from 3,000, this will go up till 10,000. Necklaces bhi hai, as you can see, with beautiful earrings ke options. These are very delicate, beautiful, everyday wear jewelry that you can use multiple purpose में आप इसको use कर सकते हैं. Look at that. These are all payal. They're all yet again very delicate, very nice, and so many options in them as well. Let me show you the full thing once again. Beautiful. Look at that.